In this episode of I Tried It, I Tested this side hustle that claims that we can earn $1,200 in just 2 days using our phones. We're going to talk about the entire process, how much money I made, and if you should try it. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if you should test this side hustle or if this is a waste of time. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. Now quickly, I want to shout out the person that recommended this video. He is a viewer. I just want to say thank you for the recommendation, and I went ahead and I tested it out. So as I mentioned, what we're going to do today is I'm going to give you an overview of this side hustle that claims that we can make $1,200 with our phones in 2 days. I'm going to talk about the process, what I did to replicate it, and my results. Now, first things first, the original content creator basically is downloading viral TikTok videos, and then he's re-uploading them over to Facebook Reels, and he is earning $1,200 with the Facebook Reels bonus program. That's how he earns the $1,200. He shows you proof that he did it. Now, what I want to do real quick is I want to show you my Facebook Reels account and profile before I embarked on this little side hustle to make $1,200. As you can see, I've gotten some views, nothing too crazy. I haven't gone viral or anything on this platform. And in fact, I have made less than $10. So as you can see, before I got up and running, I made less than $10. Now let's talk about what I did, how much I made, and if you should try this. Now, as I mentioned, what he recommends is that you hop over to TikTok, you find a viral video, and you download it. What I did is I did something a little bit different. If we jump into my computer, I'll show you exactly what I did. I jumped over to TikTok, but I went into TikTok in incognito mode. Now, the reason being is that I'm not signed in, and so TikTok won't know what type of videos to show me. They're going to show me the most viral videos that are out there. And so this is actually better because you want to take advantage of the virality of the videos that are out there. So what I did is, as you can see, I went on TikTok.com and I just simply scrolled through. Obviously, the videos are going to be different this time around simply because it's a new day and new things go viral every single day. But basically what I did is I just scrolled through and I grabbed the first 4 videos. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to grab this link here, copy link. Then I jump over to Snaptik. He recommends that you download an app called SnapTalk. Either one will work. You're simply going to paste this link here, click download again, wait for the ads, and then you're going to download it to your computer, and then you're going to, or download it to your smartphone, and then you're going to turn around and upload it right into Facebook. Now, before we continue, I have to say I absolutely hate this method. I think this is a terrible way to try and make money online. The thing that I hate most about this method is that you are basically stealing other people's content and putting money into your pocket. As a content creator, as someone that tries to create unique, original content, I think it's just a bad idea. It's bad practice to steal other people's content. That's basically what this is. Just imagine if you worked hard, you spent a lot of time, energy, and possibly even money to create a great video that goes viral. Then someone downloads that video and then re-uploads it over to Facebook. How would you feel if someone did that to you? Now, I'm sure some people will say, well, I don't care, but I'm sure you're lying. That person is monetizing your time, energy, effort, and even money. So personally, I think this is unethical. I hate it. I would never do this. In fact, if I earned any money from this, I would simply donate it because I wouldn't feel right taking from other people. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about it. I'm going to jump right into my computer. Now, what I did, I uploaded 2 videos on Sunday and 2 videos on Monday, hoping to go viral, and we're going to take a look at those results. So I'm going to log into my Facebook here, switch my accounts to my personal account, go over to Reels like this, click down here, go to Reels like this, and what you're going to see once I finally get there is I have 800 followers. I'm following 58 people. The last 4 videos that you see are the videos that I downloaded from TikTok and uploaded into Facebook. 182 views, 345 views, 45 views, 145 views. So not quite the virality that this other content creator got, but there's more. You need to stay tuned so that we can talk about the most important aspect of this whole thing. Again, didn't achieve the virality that the original content creator received. Now, for the most important part, should you do this? The answer is no, you can't do this anymore. The reason being is, as of yesterday, if we look on my screen again, Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram, they no longer will be paying creators for their content. They're no longer going to be paying the bonuses. So if you were thinking about trying this method, as of just yesterday, they're no longer allowing it, which, it is what it is. But again, let's say you had the same opportunity to do the exact same thing with YouTube Shorts. I personally would not feel comfortable stealing other people's work and re-uploading it for profit. Now, everybody's morals, values, and ethics are completely different. So you might feel that stealing someone else's content is okay. I personally could not live with myself stealing other people's content. What I would do instead, and there's lots of opportunities, and even I show you some ideas on my channel, is simply react to the video. Show yourself on screen somewhere, laughing, commenting, even yelling, "Watch out," because in his video, he shows an old lady about to get ran over by a yacht. So make sure that you are adding value to the content. If you add value, it's okay. If you're just stealing other people's content, I don't think that's right. And I don't think that's morally or ethically sound. Again, you're going to do what you're going to do. So it's really up to you. So here's what I would recommend that you do instead. Pick a niche or an area that you want a target audience that you want to talk to. Figure out what they want to learn. Figure out a product that they are interested in and create content around that product. You can create reviews, unboxings, first impressions, comparison. So comparing two products, for example, this microphone I'm talking to you now with versus a Blue Yeti microphone. You could also do best ofs, top five microphones for YouTubers. That's a much better way to go than to just steal other people's content. Now, it may feel like I'm on my soapbox, but really, it's a deeper, darker question that I think we should be talking about and that we should be asking ourselves, because what's going to happen in a few years where everything's just duplicated content? Will there be any legal issues? For example, if I steal someone's content, can someone come back in a few years and sue me and probably win because I stole their content? What onus does Facebook and YouTube and Meta have with regards to stealing other people's content? Will they be liable? So these are all things that we should take a look at and consider before we just jump to the latest and greatest side hustle involving stealing other people's content. Now, I'm going to get off my soapbox. If you want to learn how to get started with affiliate marketing, I put together a few free affiliate marketing planners. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download your affiliate marketing planners. Those planners are going to help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.